Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. Today's video is all about having faith in your dreams, having faith in your goals, and having faith that you're going to become the best version of yourself. You're going to become that woman that you've always wanted to be. So the key with faith is being able to believe that you can achieve something before you even think about doing it. That's the first initial step. You have to feel like and believe that you can do it. What is the point of starting something to then have doubts at the back of your mind, to then secretly be thinking, I can't do it? If you plant a seed of doubt in your head, you're never really going to give it your full potential because you don't believe in yourself. You don't believe that you can do it. You have to initially think, I want to be a doctor, I want to have a career change, I want to be a very good mother, I want to have a successful business, I want to go on a fitness journey. Whatever it is that you want to do, you have to believe that you can do it. Even if that means writing, doing a vision board and being able to get up in the morning and see your goal on a vision, even if it means writing down affirmations to remind you every single day what your goal is. I personally like doing affirmations because sometimes when you do an affirmation, it lifts you up and really gets the day going. So the aim is to make sure that you have faith in yourself and you believe that it's going to happen. The more you believe that it's going to happen, the more you're going to put all your efforts into it. The more you're going to put effort into becoming the best version of yourself. You put effort into everything you do because you believe you have to achieve it no matter what, and there's no other option. Fine, you may be redirected along the way, but as long as you believe that you've got the drive, believe that you can do it, that's the first step. And making sure that whatever it is, you do it wholeheartedly and you don't let anyone get in the way of that. So make sure you've got faith before you even start creating your vision board. Make sure that you believe it's going to happen. Make sure that you believe that you're going to achieve those things, and those are the things that you truly want. Okay, thank you for joining me today. If you haven't already, leave a comment, let me know what's on your vision board, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.